Alrighty, let's fix that sliding around our character does on their third attack. So when we're doing our attacks, and we get to this where it's getting greater than 2, then we're setting it back to 0. That basically means our melee attack has reached its end and it's doing this one. So when we do that, what we can do is get our character movement, set our walk speed down to 0, and we'll also set our acceleration down to 0. The reason we need to set the acceleration also is because if we don't, then you'll still be able to kind of glide forward just a little bit. So when we release our attack or reset it, we'll drag this over this way a little bit, and we can copy this and paste it right here. Plug this into the can attack, and so that when we reset at the very end, we're setting our attack, our walk speed and everything back to full. So our max walk speed is 500 and our acceleration is 768. So let's check it out now. So I'm stopping, and then I'm able to re-attack again. Alright, so that's a pretty quick fix, and I'll see y'all in the next one.